its personal experience regarding stress and health conditions. So basically, it's a descriptive study. So the result was the study of the study reveals that 35 public patients in which the stress remains for more than 3 months, it lost the chance of developing an other comorbidity in which cardiovascular disease and stroke was developed in 80% cases. So this was the result that if you remain in the condition of stress for more than 3 months, the risk of getting an another comorbidity is approximately 80%. So as there are 80% chances of developing a disease, basically there are two hormones. Basically there are two hormones which are responsible for this problem. One is adrenaline and another is cortisol. Adrenaline basically increases our heart rate and it increases our blood pressure, and cortisol is known as stress hormone. So stress hormone also supports adrenaline by increasing physiological sensitivity. Vasoconstriction always takes place. Vasoconstriction means the arteries of the body just start getting narrow. So this increases our blood pressure, and a person starts aging in his body. A person becomes old in their early stages, and sometimes premature death also occurs due to this. So the conclusion is that stress is a response from our physiology, and it can come from any trigger like loss of someone, and due to poor performance in the academics, or due to some pressure, academic pressure, or some kind of failures in life. So it can come from anywhere, or some past memory can also trigger stress. So there are multiple activities which we can do to reduce stress, like Zumba, mindfulness meditation, and Tai Chi, yoga. Sometimes spending time with family also supports a lot, and sometimes spending time with nature helps a lot to reduce stress. And most of the times when we play with pets, or we play with children, or outdoor activities, or we do some outdoor sports or outdoor activities, it reduces the stress at a very high level. And walking barefoot on the ground, also reduces stress up to a very high level. It helps a lot in reducing stress. And there is a strategy 4-3-2-1. When you are in the condition of stress and you just suffer from a panic attack, because panic attacks are also very common due to stress. So if you are in the condition of panic attack, there is a strategy of 4-3-2-1, in which you just see 4 things around you. Just observe 4 things around you. 3 things you can touch with your hand. 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. So this is the strategy which will help you to come out from the stress. Okay. So if you feel any kind of panic attack due to stress, this strategy is very helpful. We just teach this activity and this strategy to our patients. So the references are from the book Fit for the Fast Track, Dr. McGannon. Dr. McGannon is a very famous author of America. He wrote a book along with his wife, Dr. Mrs. McGannon. This study says that a heart attack begins in the mind. A heart attack begins in the mind, and this book is very famous among doctors. Most of the doctors prescribe this book, and the Journal of Science and Technology, Asian Journal of Science and Technology. So